Right. Everybody, E2. Please bow our heads for the school karakia. E te ariki, mana ki te amatu, me o mātou whānau, mō tēnei rā. I promise that today I will do my best, encourage others and never give up. I promise that I will never give up on myself, my learning and on life. I promise this with all my heart. Amen.
Remain standing.
Remain standing.
For the national anthem.
Kia ora tātou te whānau. Can I have a thumbs up if you can hear me?
Yes.
Oh, ka pai, great. Great to see you again, Bubble Room 6, and your kaiako in there, Whaiamara and Miss Maglion. Great singing as well. I could hear you in the background. What a great start to the day, and we welcome one new student to that bubble today. Great to see all the staff who've been able to make it online and join with us this morning. It's just going to be a short assembly, but just to connect as we start this second week of Alert Level 3. The most exciting thing, I think, is going to happen next. Room 6 Bubble have organised a little performance for us, so that is coming up next, and we'll get this recording of our assembly out on Facebook just to share with our community. I'm not sure if what Melissa has got planned, but maybe if she can have us all on the one screen, or most of us on the one screen, and then flick. If we can do a big a wave out or a hi to our community. Kia ora.
Kia ora. Talofa.
Kia ora ana.
Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Talofa lava. Alora soifua. Kainita.
Okay, for those of you who are wondering a bit about Alert Level 2, the Ministry hasn't given us really enough information to be able to share yet. So as soon as we know, we'll keep you informed. Just keep going through our Facebook page, or you can ring the school cell phone or leave a message on our school phone number, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Okay, I believe it's now time for Room 6 Bubbles performance. Thank you, everyone. Kia pai tōra. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Oh, aroha mai, it's not Room 6 yet.
Done, Room 6.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
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 Hi,
Bye.
Alicia.
hi there. How are you?
Thank you.
Guys.
Bye bye.
Yaramata.